All right, guys, this is your science lesson for day 14. We're going to watch a short brain pop video, and then you have the easy quiz as your science lesson for today. So here we go.
And soon this caterpillar will spin a cocoon and turn into a beautiful butterfly. Don't be sad, Moby. Some animals need other animals to survive. How do living things need each other? All plants and animals need food. Producers are things that can make their own food. Well, plants are producers. They use the sun's energy to make the food that helps them grow. Consumers are living things that eat plants and animals. Consumers are divided into different groups, depending on what they eat. An herbivore is an animal that only eats plants. In this forest habitat, you can find herbivores like deer, squirrels, and butterflies. A carnivore is an animal that only eats other animals, like wolves, praying mantises, and eagles. Right, Moby. Some animals eat both plants and other animals. They're called omnivores. Red foxes eat some fruits, like berries and apples, but they also eat amphibians and fish. Blue jays eat seeds and acorns, but they also eat worms and even baby birds. People can eat meat, fish, and fruits and vegetables. So most people are omnivores too. All living things have special ways to help them get food. Some carnivores, like lions, have strong jaws and sharp teeth, so they can tear and eat meat. Some herbivores, like gazelles, have flat teeth that help them grind and chew tough plants. Together, producers and consumers make up a food chain. Well, what is a food chain exactly? A food chain is the order of how one living thing eats and gets energy from another living thing. A food chain shows how plants and animals rely on each other for food. Well, many food chains begin with the sun. A plant gets energy from the sun to make its own food and help it grow. A grasshopper might eat the plant to get food and energy. A mouse might eat the grasshopper, and a snake might hunt the mouse. A predator is an animal that hunts other animals for food. The mouse and the snake are both predators. Prey are animals eaten by predators. The grasshopper is the mouse's prey, and the mouse is the snake's prey. You're right, Moby. An animal can be both a predator and prey. I know other animals that eat grasshoppers. Birds, spiders, and lizards all eat grasshoppers, so they're a part of the food chain too. What is a food web? A food web is a group of food chains that are connected. Many living things live in an ocean habitat, and they're each a part of a food chain. Plankton are tiny animals that use energy from the sun to grow. They're producers, just like plants. Krill look like little shrimp, and they prey on plankton. Squid prey on plankton and krill. Other animals rely on krill for food, including fish, seals, and penguins. But penguins and seals also eat fish and squid. Seals prey on penguins too. Killer whales hunt for seals, penguins, and fish. They're at the top of the food web because very few animals prey on killer whales. Sometimes people can change the environment. This can affect a whole food web. If one species of plant or animal dies off, their predators might have a hard time finding food. The food web shows how living things are connected and need each other to survive. Cool food web, Moby. Hey, is that my lunch over there?
So now we're going to take the easy quiz, which is just like what's on your paper. Which animal in the food chain is a herbivore and eats only plants? The wolf, the hedgehog, the fox, or the grasshopper? So what comes right after the plant is the grasshopper. So it is the herbivore. Number 2, why do people say adult lions are at the top of the food chain? A, adult lions have no predators in the wild except for humans. B, adult lions are prey for many different kinds of animals. Adult lions are producers that can make food on their own. Or D, adult lions help other animals get food by hunting for them. So when we look at the food chain, there's nothing that eats the lion. So the only predator for a lion would be us humans. So A,
adult lions have no predators in the wild except for humans,
would be the correct answer. Number 3, skunks eat insects, bird eggs, and fruit. Which group do skunks belong to? Producer, carnivore, omnivore, or herbivore? So where they eat bird eggs and insects,
omnivore.
they're going to eat both. So they're an omnivore. Which living thing is a predator? So which thing would you be scared of? I think I'd be scared of that shark. Which living things are producers in the ocean? Dolphins, seaweed, penguins, or sharks? So seaweed is the producer in the ocean. Alright guys, if you have any questions, you can email or message me or Miss Sparks. We'd be happy to help you with your science work. I love and miss you. Hope to hear from you guys soon.